Hi guys, let's continue. We're looking at time to the half hour. So let's see, we have analog clocks up here and digital clocks down here. We're going to match them. So let's see. Let's look at this analog clock. This here, the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So it's not 2 yet. So it's 1. And then the minute hand is on the 6, meaning 30. So the time for this is 1:30. Let's see, which clock matches that? 1:30. Awesome. Let's look at this one. The clock says, see, look at the hour hand. It's between 2 and 3. So it's not 3 yet. It is 2. And then the minute hand, if it's on the 6, then that's 30 minutes. Remember, we count like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that time is 2:30. Let's find the clock that says 2:30. It is right here. Good job. Let's move on to this one right here. Let's look at the hour hand. It is between the 7 and the 8. So it's not quite 8 yet. So it's still 7. 7. And then the minute hand is on the 6. So that means that it is 7:30. This clock says 7:30. All right, let's look at the last one. The hour hand is right here between the 5 and the 6. It's 5, and the minute hand is on the 6, indicating it is 30 minutes. So that time is 5:30. Awesome. What time does the clock show? So let's take a look. The clock shows, let's look at the hour hand, is between 1 and 2. So it is 1, okay, it's 1 something. And the minute hand is on the 6. So we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. So that is 1:30. The correct answer is B, 1:30. What time does the clock show? Okay, look at the hour hand and look at the minute hand. Our choices are A, 4:30, B, 6:03, C, 3:30. I want you to tell me the correct answer. I cannot wait to hear your response.